welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Thursday, June 29th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. In sad news for nature lovers, National Geographic, one of America's longest-running magazines, has reportedly laid off the last of its staff writers, with approximately 19 writers being let go. They will presumably be replaced entirely by freelancers, so the magazine isn't going anywhere just yet, but it does show the state of journalism and the media space. Additionally, the publication will go off newsstands entirely sometime next year, becoming a digital-only subscription. National Geographic is owned by Disney, and this is just one of their seemingly infinite layoffs. Software automation company Zapier is conducting a reduction in force of 10%, laying off around 100 employees. CEO Wade Foster said that the layoffs are due to new competitive challenges such as AI, and a reallocation of investment is needed. Foster also said that the cuts will affect all departments across the company. In further tech news, Plex, a popular media server app, laid off 37 people earlier this week, or around 20% of their total workforce. CEO Keith Valery explained the layoffs as being due to a downturn in global advertising markets and the company's resulting desire to get budget back to cash flow positive. Plex will be restructuring under 4 main product areas and will also reduce marketing spend to further cut costs. Finally, as part of its massive $3 billion investment into AI, tech and consulting giant Accenture has continued layoffs, with 218 more employees impacted at the Domain facility in Austin, Texas. This comes after Accenture laid off over 500 employees from the same facility in May.